Hi, my name is Russell Maw. I'm here at Resorts World Awana Hotel. We're going to do a few golf tips, golf lessons, short version, and I'm going to make it very fast so that you can all learn a little bit. And today's subject is putting, which is very, very important and not really practiced enough by the golfers. Okay, so am I going to change your putting? I hope. A little bit, not much, but I'm going to give you some ground rules that are very, very important. There's many techniques to golf, there's to putting, but these are the things I find that are very important. On your grip, make sure the putter stays in the palm of your hands. In the palm, not in the fingers, in the palm. This will create stability in the stroke. When we do the putting stroke, what's very, very important is that the club head, arms and shoulders, everything works in one unit. We just rotate the shoulders. We don't use the wrists, okay? This is pretty basic. Some people do, some people don't. But if you watch the top players, they're pretty quiet with their hands, okay? All different techniques in putting. Some people you'll see the hands, the left hand low, the right hand low. There's long putters, there's short putters, it's whatever works. The simple thing I'm going to show you about putting and the difference between what the pros do and what the amateurs do is very simple. An amateur will stand over the ball if it's a short putt, a medium or a long putt, and use the same stroke for every putt. What I mean by that is when we're doing the stroke here, if it's 10 meters away, they'll swing sort of there to here. If it's 2 meters away, they'll do the same thing. And this is what I see all the time. This is the biggest mistake in golf. A very simple thing to remember in golf is if you have a short putt, do a short swing back and through, just like this. You see this short, this putt, this swing here will get you the short putt. All right? Maybe this far back and this far through. That's enough. A middle distance putt. Maybe 20 feet, 25 feet. Your swing will go to your right toe and through to your left. Now what I'm trying to do in the stroke, I'm just going to keep the club head low to the ground and try and keep a nice even pace. Okay? Watch what I'm doing, watch. Just rock my shoulders and that's my middle length swing. Okay? So here we go. Middle length swing. There's 20 meters. Long putt, long swing. So keep it as simple as this. Short putt, short swing. Middle putt, middle swing. Long putt, long swing. Long swing. Don't be afraid to swing the club long. All right? But whatever you do, don't hit the ball hard. Just swing long and smooth. Okay? What a high handicapper will do here, he'll take his medium swing and whack it. That's no good. All right? Long putt, long swing. This should go about 30, 40 feet. Watch. And that's really it. Short putt, short swing. Middle putt, middle swing. Long putt, long swing.